Hi, welcome back to EST Online. Today we're looking at the verb build and the phrasal verb build up. They're very similar, aren't they? But in a business context, they have quite a different meaning. Build means we have nothing now. We need to build our sales channels in India. It means we have no sales channels in India right now. Build up means we have something now, but we need to make it stronger. We need to build up our sales channels in India means maybe we have a few staff members in India already, but we need to add more team members to improve, increase, expand that team. So one more time, build means you have nothing now and you need to start from zero. Build up means we have something now. It might be big, it might be small, but we need to grow it. We need to make it bigger. All right, watch out for that mistake. Build versus build up. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you at EST Online soon. Bye.